In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money online with Systeme.io. I use Systemeio myself on a regular basis and I use it on multiple ways. I use it as a page builder, as a funnel builder, as an affiliate marketplace where I can find offers to promote, and I use it also as an offer itself. I promote it and I get recurring commissions. And the best thing is that everything I just told you is for free. You don't have to pay anything for Systeme.io. You can just use the free version of it, and I will show you exactly how to do that. What's up friends, Amar here, and before I show you my favorite two methods to make money online with Systeme.io, let me kindly ask you to subscribe to this channel and support it with a like or a comment. So I will keep the second method that is responsible for most of these affiliate commissions on my Warrior Plus account for later on this video, and I will start with the basic and simple method to make money online with Systeme.io. So the first thing you want to do is click the link in the description below this video or the first comment, create yourself a free account. Don't pay for any upgrades, create a free account on Systeme.io, and without further ado, let's begin with method number one. The first method to make money online with Systeme.io is to use it as an affiliate platform. So once you create your free account, log in and then go to this menu dashboard and click on affiliate dashboard, and you will see now this page here. Go ahead and click on marketplace to find offers that you might want to promote for single commissions or recurring commissions. So it's loading now, the marketplace. I don't know why it's taking too long, but the marketplace now is here, and all of these are offers that you can promote. So you can sort these by total earned by affiliates. So these are the total amounts that other affiliates have already earned with each of these offers here. But what I like to do is go to affiliate programs here on the top to find all the affiliate programs that are available in the platform. And as you can see, the first one is Systeme.io, and people have already earned more than 2 million euros. So many of these programs are offering two-tier commissions. Like for this one, Systeme.io, you make 40% for the first tier and you make 5% for the second tier. This one offers 35% for the first tier and 10% for the second tier. I did a small research and I found this program here, and I clicked on it. He's offering between 20% and 30% commission, but I found that his products are very good. They have high quality, so this is why I decided to promote it. For example, this offer here is learn how to design beautiful funnels on Systeme.io. So this guy will be teaching you how to build your own funnels on Systeme.io. And if I want to check the offer, I click on it. And then if I want to see the sales page, I click on this offer here, a promote offer, and I will be at the sales page of this guy. So he explains everything on this video, and he gives you lots of beautiful bonuses that you can use on your own funnels. Let's go back to Systeme.io, and here is the method how to get your affiliate link and start promoting. Actually, when you click on this button here, the page that will open is your affiliate link. So this is your affiliate link. You can copy it and then shorten it using any online shortening service like Bitly, for example. Or you can just right click on this button and copy the link. Now the link is copied, and then you can paste it somewhere and then shorten it and start promoting. So other affiliates have already earned more than $500 with this affiliate program. In the last 30 days they made $226. So you can just take your affiliate link and start promoting it. So here I am on bit.ly.com, and if I want to shorten my long link, I come to this button here and click here, link. I paste my long affiliate link right here and click the button at the bottom, and as you can see now I have a short link. And on top of that, bit.ly.com will give you some statistics of the clicks you receive on that link. So you just click on copy, and then if you paste it on a new tab, this is a short link, but if you press enter, you will see that it will take you right away to the affiliate offer, and if anyone purchase from here, you will get your commission. My second favorite method to make money online with Systeme.io is using it as a page builder or a funnel builder. So I created, for example, this landing page here to build my email list and then sell on the back end. So this page is completely for free. It offers a training that is here on the thank you page where people can learn how to create landing pages on Systeme.io and also how to drive targeted traffic on another system called Leads Leap. So I'm making like sales on the back end, but the first landing page is a page that is built for free using Systeme.io, and it offers a free service as well. You can notice that I am using the Warrior Plus button here just because I'm selling one-time offers at the back end, but you can use a regular form to collect emails. But if you want to use the Warrior Plus button or any other thing, you can do that. The main thing here in this tutorial is being able to create landing pages and use them to make commissions on the back end. People will be able to learn how to create landing pages just like this one with a form, and then create their email list and sell at the back end. And also you can create a thank you page completely for free using Systeme.io. And actually with this offer here, I am offering the possibility to duplicate this funnel completely for free, and I'm giving you the training on how to create the pages on Systeme.io right here. So if you don't want to go to the thank you page, you can check on my channel and you will find this video here, Systeme.io landing pages, and it will teach you exactly what you need to know about creating landing pages on Systeme.io. So please take a look at the link in the description below if you want to check this funnel out, and then if you want to replicate it, just access the thank you page and you will have everything you need to know to replicate this same offer. So now that you have built your email list, you can send out affiliate offers to your subscribers and you might make affiliate commissions. Thank you very much for making it so far in the video. Please support the channel by a like, a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to get notified, and I will see you on my next video.